How to change language on Netflix on phone. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of Netflix app. To check that, you can head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Netflix. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it, provide your credentials and log into your account. You'll land to the home page. Once you're in the home page, at the bottom you're gonna find a an option. Navigate to the option of My Netflix. Now click on your Netflix profile name. Different profile will appear. Click on the option of Manage Profiles. Now head over to the profile in which you want to change the language. Click on it. Different options will appear. Head over to the option of Display Language. Now here you're gonna find tons of language options. Check in for the language that you wanna set for this profile. With that, the language will be updated for this profile. If you want to change the language for other profile as well, you can apply the same steps. So this way you can easily change language on Netflix on phone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.